everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to take your trading game to the next level, then you have clicked on the right video. Today we are diving deep into one of the most important concepts in trading, trend indicators. Understanding trend is key to becoming a successful trader, and with the right trend indicator, you will be able to make more informed decisions in the market. So grab your notepad and let's get started. Now, before we start looking at specific trend indicators, let's first understand what they are. Simply put, trend indicators are tools that help traders identify and follow the direction of the market. There are three primary trends. First is the uptrend, where the market is moving upwards. Second is the downtrend, where the market is moving downwards. Third is the sideways trends, when the market is moving within a range without any clear direction. The goal of trend indicators is to give you a clearer picture of these movements and help you make the right calls, whether you are entering or exiting trades. Why are trend indicators important? Trend indicators are vital because they give you a clearer view of the market sentiment and price movement. You could use them to identify trend direction. Is the market moving up, down, or sideways? Trend strength. How strong is the trend? Is it likely to continue or is it weakening? Entry-exit points. Knowing when to enter or exit a trade based on the trend. By understanding the trend, you can align your trades with the market's natural direction and avoid trying to fight against it. If you are in an uptrend, it is usually best to look for buying opportunities. In a downtrend, you'd look for selling opportunities. Let's now look at different types of trend indicators that traders use to identify and track trends. Moving averages, MA. A moving average is a statistical calculation that smooths out price data by creating a constantly updated average price over a specific period. It helps traders identify trends, reduce noise in the price movement, and make better trading decisions. Now let's break down the two types. Simple moving average, SMA. The simple moving average is the most basic form of moving average. It calculates the average price of an asset over a set number of periods. For example, a 10-day SMA is calculated by adding the closing prices of the last 10 days and dividing the total by 10. Key features of SMA. It gives equal weight to all data points in the selected period. It smooths out price fluctuations but can be slow to react to sudden changes. It is useful for identifying long-term trends but may not be ideal for short-term trading. Imagine a stock is moving up steadily and you use a 50-day SMA. The line will show the general upward trend, but if there is a sudden spike or drop in prices, the SMA may take time to reflect the change. Exponential moving average. The exponential moving average EMA is similar to SMA, but it gives more importance to recent prices. It makes it more responsive to recent market movements. Formula for EMA is more complex because it includes a weighting factor that increases the influence of recent prices. Key features of EMA. It reacts faster to price changes compared to the SMA. It's preferred by traders who need quicker signals for buying or selling. It helps in short-term trend analysis and is widely used in trading strategies. For example, if a stock price suddenly drops, the 50-day EMA will reflect that change much faster than a 50-day SMA, making it more suitable for traders looking for timely entry and exit points. SMA versus EMA. When to use each? SMA is best for long-term investors who want a smooth trend line without reacting to short-term fluctuations. EMA is useful for short-term traders who need a moving average that reacts quickly to market changes. Both SMA and EMA are valuable tools in technical analysis. The choice between them depends on your trading style, whether you prioritize stability, SMA, or responsiveness, EMA. Many traders use a combination of both to confirm trends and make better trading decisions. That's all for today. Thank you so much for staying up till the end. Tomorrow we will learn about MACD, that is Moving Average Convergence Divergence, another powerful trend indicator. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on that bell notification so that you don't miss it. See you in the next one.